Welcome everybody, it is 2023 and we are here. We've got a better camera, which is the 14 Pro, so hopefully it comes out a lot better quality. You guys can notice, you see that? I got a gimbal for Christmas for my boyfriend. So if you see this in the way, sorry, I don't know, I'm still working with it. Work with me. Things we're gonna do today. We are going to, I got a foamer. Finally have a foamer for the hose. We do have a pressure washer. My dad don't want me to use it until he uses it first. In the corner, I got an air compressor. It's my dad's. Again, can't use it because he hasn't fully used it yet. Car is ceramic coated. We are gonna use my blower. Ceramic coated seems to be working out, even though it was ceramic coated in the rain, as you guys saw in my last video. If you didn't, go check it out. And the ceramic coat seems to stay. We've been having some rain here in Arizona on and off, and it seems to be working fine with me, so good investment. Ice out my vehicle. I do have yellow on there on my fog lights, so we're gonna put purple. And then we're gonna tint the headlights. My wheel brushes seem to be pretty bad, so I got some new ones. I also got one with this little brush. It's like a foundation brush, but it's for the wheels. So let's get to work. So if y'all follow me on TikTok and IG, you guys are aware of my no longer there lip. When you go 120 miles per hour on the freeway racing somebody, you lose your shit. Oh, my next investment would be a chassis mount, so that don't happen again. It looks ratchet again, you guys. I swear my car is gonna look ratchet no matter what I do. Thank you. Car's clean. Did it all in the garage because the sun was coming up and it was almost 1 o'clock, so the sun starts to come over the house and I didn't want it to cake the water. So car clean. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna conclude this video. I know I was supposed to put the tent in, but we're gonna do that next week. Boyfriend's coming, we're gonna go see Megan. Y'all haven't seen it yet. We don't know how it is, so by the time I load this video, I wanna hear your comments. That's gonna conclude the weirdness of my, whatever you saw, my damn freaking foam gun. Only cost me 50 bucks. My dad needs to hurry up and get his pressure washer going so we don't have this fiasco. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe and more to come. Happy 2023. Oh wait, I am video adjusting.